चुने आमिर ने मान कैसे लिया? तो इसका जवाब देना बहुत जरूरी है लोगों को.
नहीं, एक तो we have a long relationship, Ashok, and you know we've been together since college.
Yeah.
So of course I'll always be there for you, but especially this time, you know, when Ashok called me and said it's for my son, so I said done. And then he was wondering why इतना जल्दी कैसे हो गया? I said I've just been through that myself as a father. जुनैद की फिल्म महाराज लगी तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस था कि लोगों को उसका काम पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा, you know. So how probably you're feeling right now, you know, as he's taking his first steps. Just a couple of months back or 1 month back, I was in that situation. So I completely understand that feeling, and I'm here to support your son and you, Ashok. And it's an emotion that I immediately connected to. I said, हाँ यार, मैं समझ सकता हूँ तेरी हालत इस वक्त क्या है. तो मैं रहूँगा.
Actually, every single parent understands.
Every yeah, you know, for our children, you know, we are always worried that, you know, they should be accepted, and I'm so happy to know that, you know, actually Junaid has worked really hard for himself, and he's never accepted any help from me in any way ever. So I'm very proud and happy that he's made it on his own terms in his own way, and you know, and I can see that Raj is doing the same thing. He's been talented since the age of 13, so it's, you know, it's time to take your first step, and you have. It's really wonderful.
So Junaid's playback voice has to be only Raj.
No, I told Ashok and Raj that also, that jo film hai, you know, Junaid is doing a couple of films. So I'm going to request the composers to try out, you know, Raj's voice. It'll be a great fit, I hope. Yeah. Come, let's take a photograph. I think we should make two. I'll come, sir. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.